Did you know investing doesn't have to be a suit and tie affair filled with jargon and high fees? Imagine this: a robot advisor that automatically manages your investments, keeps your portfolio diversified, and helps you grow your wealth without the hefty price tag of a traditional advisor. This is the world of robo-advisors, and today's video is all about unlocking their secrets. Welcome, everyone, to Satoshi Finance. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of robo-advisors. If you've ever wondered how technology is revolutionizing investing, you're in the right place. Robo-advisors are shaking up the financial industry by offering automated investment solutions tailored to your needs. Gone are the days of solely relying on human financial advisors. Now algorithms are taking the reins, guiding us towards our financial goals with efficiency and precision. Robo-advisors have been gaining momentum in recent years, and it's not hard to see why. With their user-friendly interfaces and cost-effective approach, they're making investing accessible to people from all walks of life. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, robo-advisors offer a hassle-free way to grow your wealth. So, buckle up as we explore the ins and outs of robo-advisors and discover how they're reshaping the investing landscape. We'll dive deep into how they work, the benefits they offer, and whether they're right for you. Buckle up, because we're about to demystify the world of automated investing and empower you to take control of your financial future. Robo-advisors represent a cutting-edge approach to investment management, leveraging advanced algorithms to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. At their core, these platforms serve as automated investment tools, harnessing the power of technology to streamline portfolio management. By seamlessly integrating client data, financial goals, and risk preferences, robo-advisors craft bespoke investment strategies tailored to individual needs. The inner workings of robo-advisors are both intricate and efficient. Upon onboarding, users provide essential information such as investment objectives, time horizon, and risk tolerance through intuitive questionnaires. Armed with this data, the algorithms behind robo-advisors swing into action, analyzing market trends, asset allocations, and risk factors. This meticulous process culminates in the construction of diversified investment portfolios optimized for long-term growth and stability. In essence, robo-advisors marry the precision of data analytics with the personal touch of financial planning, offering investors a modern and convenient avenue for wealth accumulation. Robo-advisors present a plethora of advantages that are reshaping the landscape of investment management. One of the most compelling benefits is their cost-effectiveness. Unlike traditional financial advisors, who often charge hefty fees for their services, robo-advisors typically come with lower fees, making them an attractive option for investors looking to optimize their returns without breaking the bank. This affordability democratizes investing, allowing individuals from all financial backgrounds to access professional-grade portfolio management tools. Accessibility is another key advantage of robo-advisors. These platforms cater to investors of all levels, from seasoned veterans to beginners taking their first steps into the world of investing. Even those with limited capital can participate, thanks to the low minimum investment requirements offered by many robo-advisors. This inclusivity empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures, regardless of their income or net worth. Furthermore, robo-advisors excel in providing diversified investment portfolios tailored to each investor's unique goals and risk profiles. By leveraging sophisticated algorithms, these platforms analyze a multitude of factors to construct portfolios that optimize returns while minimizing risk. This diversification is crucial for building resilient investment portfolios capable of weathering market volatility and achieving long-term growth. Lastly, the automation aspect of robo-advisors streamlines the investment process, eliminating the need for manual intervention and freeing up investors' time and energy for other pursuits. To embark on your journey with robo-advisors, the first step is navigating the sign-up process. This typically involves visiting the website of your chosen robo-advisor and creating an account. The process is often straightforward, requiring basic personal information such as name, email, and sometimes financial details like income and net worth. Once your account is set up, you may need to complete a risk assessment questionnaire. This questionnaire delves into your financial goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance, helping the robo-advisor understand your investment preferences better. By evaluating your responses, the platform can tailor its recommendations to align with your unique risk profile. Next comes the crucial step of portfolio customization. Armed with insights from your risk assessment, robo-advisors leverage their algorithms to construct a diversified investment portfolio suited to your needs. Users have the flexibility to adjust various parameters, such as asset allocation and investment preferences, to further tailor their portfolios. Whether you're aiming for aggressive growth or prioritizing capital preservation, robo-advisors allow you to fine-tune your investment strategy to reflect your objectives. This level of customization empowers users to build portfolios that align with their financial aspirations while providing the necessary flexibility to adapt to changing circumstances. When considering the choice between robo-advisors and traditional financial advisors, it's essential to weigh the respective benefits and drawbacks of each approach. Robo-advisors offer several advantages, including lower fees compared to their traditional counterparts. With robo-advisors, investors can access professional portfolio management services at a fraction of the cost typically associated with traditional financial advisors. This cost-effectiveness makes robo-advisors an attractive option for individuals seeking to optimize their investment returns while minimizing expenses. Accessibility is another area where robo-advisors shine. These platforms are accessible to investors of all levels, including those with lower capital. Unlike traditional financial advisors, who may require a minimum investment threshold or cater primarily to high-net-worth individuals, robo-advisors democratize investing by offering their services to a broader audience. Additionally, robo-advisors leverage technology to streamline the investment process, providing users with convenient, user-friendly interfaces and round-the-clock access to their portfolios. As we look ahead to the future of the financial industry, robo-advisors stand poised for significant growth and evolution. With technological advancements continuing to reshape the landscape of investing, robo-advisors are expected to play an increasingly prominent role in democratizing access to wealth management services. As more investors seek cost-effective and convenient solutions for portfolio management, the demand for robo-advisors is likely to surge, driving further innovation in the sector. Emerging trends and technologies are also expected to shape the future trajectory of robo-advisors. Artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms are anticipated to become more sophisticated, enabling robo-advisors to deliver even more personalized and precise investment strategies tailored to individual needs. Additionally, the integration of blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies could open up new avenues for investment within the robo-advisor ecosystem, providing users with access to a broader range of asset classes and investment opportunities. As the financial industry continues to evolve, robo-advisors are poised to remain at the forefront of innovation, empowering investors to achieve their financial goals with greater efficiency and effectiveness. In wrapping up our exploration of robo-advisors, it's clear that these automated investment platforms offer a multitude of benefits to investors. We've learned how robo-advisors leverage technology to provide cost-effective, accessible, and diversified portfolio management solutions tailored to individual goals and risk profiles. By automating the investment process, robo-advisors streamline the journey towards financial growth and stability, empowering users to take control of their financial futures with confidence. As you reflect on the insights shared in this video, I encourage you to consider incorporating robo-advisors into your investment strategies. Whether you're a seasoned investor looking to optimize your portfolio or someone just starting out on their investment journey, robo-advisors offer a convenient and efficient way to grow your wealth. So why not take advantage of the benefits they provide and embark on your path towards financial success? Thank you for joining us today and taking the time to explore the world of robo-advisors. If you found this video informative and insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your feedback is invaluable as we continue to create content aimed at helping you navigate the complexities of the financial world. Until next time, happy investing.